Good morning, everyone. Well, at least it's morning here. Good day, whatever time it is, wherever you are. So today we're walking into our ATV shop. I just wanted to give you a little short video about our shop here, and then we'll be bringing you some videos on Polaris ATV repairs and whatever you guys might want to see. So let's walk in and take a look. This is our humble little shop here. I started this in 1999 and we're still going, luckily. And as you can see, we're packed to the gills with units here to be serviced. We do tires, you can see tires. We do oil changes, tune-ups, brakes, belts, engine rebuilds, whatever you might need. And every day we got to take all this stuff out, and every night we got to put it back in because we are packed. We usually run about, our appointments are running about a month in advance currently. Most of our clientele is farmers and ranchers, a lot of recreational guys too, you know, hunting, fishing, camping, just trail riding, that sort of thing. And then next door we have a automotive repair shop, and we're jammed up in here as well. We still have some Polaris units and ATVs parked over here. So all this stuff has to get moved out every day, and then once again put back every night. But no big deal, it's part of the gig. So, like I said, just a short video to show you around and then let you know what we'll be bringing you in the future. And then I'll do a time lapse of us moving all this stuff out this morning here. So everybody have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.